Alright, let me start. Two birds on a wire. One tries to fly away, and the other watches him close from the wire. He says he wants to as well, but he is a liar. I'll believe it all. There's nothing I won't understand. I'll believe it all. I won't let go of your hand. Two birds on a wire. One says come on and the other says I'm tired. Still trying to remember. The sky is overcast, and I'm sorry. One more, one less. Nobody's worried. I'll believe it all. There's nothing I won't understand. I'll believe it all. Of your hand. Sorry, I don't really remember. I think it's the end. Wait, I'm trying to remember. Two birds of a feather says they're always gonna stay together, but one's never gonna let go of that wire. Thank you. He says that he will, but he's just a liar. Two birds on a wire. One tries to fly away, and the other watches him close from that wire. Says he wants to as well, but he is a liar. Still thinking, I'm really sorry. Is it the end? I'm still trying to think. I'm really sorry, guys. I don't remember. Is it? Alright, I just need two birds on a wire. One tries to fly away, and the other what? I think that's the end. Alright, guys. Please write in the comments my singing. I know I'm not that good. I'll sing more things. I'm literally going to post a few, okay? Bye.